How to share Instagram story to Facebook story. So if you want to share your stories on Instagram to your Facebook, then all you have to do is open up your Instagram app, and here on the bottom right corner you will have a profile icon. Tap on your profile, and then on the upper right corner you will have a 3-barred icon. Tap on that, and then head over to settings and privacy, and here you will find an option which says account center. Tap on account center, and now go and tap on connected experiences. So first make sure that you have connected your Facebook to your Instagram. So by that you can do all of these settings. Now tap on connected experiences, and then you will have sharing across profiles. Tap on that. So before moving on, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now tap on Instagram, and then here you will have the option which says your Instagram story, your Instagram post. So by turning this on, you will automatically share your Instagram story or your Instagram post to your Facebook. So if you want to share your Facebook post or Facebook stories to Instagram, then you can tap on Facebook, and then here you can turn it on. By doing this, you will share your Facebook story and Facebook post to Instagram. So that's it guys, that's how you share your Instagram stories to Facebook stories. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.